Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you everything about YouTube ad settings. So you have to change some settings. Maybe you don't know something about your ad settings. So follow this step. You can increase your earning. යාළුවනේ ඉතින් මේකෙන් පුළුවන් ඔයාලට ඔයාලගේ YouTube එකේ ad ගැන හැමදේම දැනගන්න. ad දාන්නේ කොහමද? ඔයාලගේ videos දිගයි නම් ඒව අතරින් ad දාලා ඔයාලගේ video වල ආදායම වැඩි කරගන්න කොහොමද earning එක වැඩි කරගන්න කොහොමද කියලා ඒ වගේම තමයි ad setting හදාගන්න හැමදේම අප්ලෝඩ් කරන තැන ඉඳන්ම තියෙනවා. ඉතින් අප්ලෝඩ් කරන බලන්න ඕනේ නැත්නම් ඒක ස්කිප් කරලා ගිහිල්ලා ad setting පටන් ගන්න තැන ඉඳන් බලන්න පුළුවන්. අලුත් කෙනෙක් නම් subscribe කරලා එකතු වෙන්න. එහෙනම් අපි බලමු වීඩියෝ එක කොහොමද කියලා. මෙතනින් ඉඳන් පටන් ගන්නවා මම වීඩියෝ එක. So from here I will teach you everything about YouTube ad setting starting from YouTube upload. So this is the KineMaster. So I will start upload and I will show you how to upload. So in this arrow you can touch it, then you can adjust your quality. I'll put 430p, then I touch here export. So now starting exporting. Once exporting is finished, you can see like this. You can share, you can play, or you can delete that video. So I touch this center share button. So then you can see like that. Then you can find anything. If you want to search, if you want to share with Facebook, if you want to share with YouTube and Instagram, anything. So I touch here YouTube. So you can title, make your title. Then I will finish my title and uploading. I will come again. I finish my title. Then you keep here option unlisted. Then you can add any location. I don't put any location. So keep unlisted. Don't put public directly. Okay. So then put next. Then you can choose here. If you are not making for video for kids, select no. Then upload. So I will. Okay, you can see now my uploading is finished. There is mentioned this video is ready to be watched, but it is in unlisted mode. Okay, I will now. You have to go to your YouTube studio. See you there in YouTube studio. Okay, now I am in YouTube studio. So you can see here my video subscriber 50. So that I click it. Then you can find here restriction none. If you put directly upload your video direct public, if there is any problem, if there is any restriction, you have to get copyright strike or copyright claim, something. If there is problem, so you have to get it direct. But this mode, unlisted mode, you cannot get anything. You will not get any risk. So there is restriction mode none. So then start what we can do for if you monetize it. Now you click here pencil button. That means edit button. So first you have to do. You see here dollar mark is off. So I click it. Then you can see monetization off. So you click it. Then you can on. Then it will come like this. Overlay ad, sponsor ad, card, skippable ads and non-skippable ads. This display ad already on. So we have to manually switch on this one. So you click this on box, so it will be on. Then go back. Then first you save that. Okay, it will go to save. Now already saved, but still it's pending for ad pending. Ad pending means that checking for our monetization is okay or not. For monetization checking process, it will take some time. So I will come back after some times. Okay, you can see now my restriction mode is none. Monetization is on. On means green color, yellow dollar mark. Okay. So then what we have to check our studio in desktop mode also, because if you not here anything none and monetization is on, but there is something checking. So let's go to desktop mode. To go to desktop mode, I'm using Chrome Beta. So you can download Chrome Beta, because definitely you need Chrome Beta or Opera for desktop mode. Chrome Beta is better. So I click it. Then directly go to YouTube. If you don't know how to use desktop mode, I will show you. So if this I click this like that, my Chrome beta, you can see here three dot. That three dot you click here, then you can find here desktop mode. You can see there is a request mobile site. I click request mobile site. It will go in directly as mobile site. So then I again you can like that. When you click Chrome beta, you find like this your YouTube. Then you click here three dot. Then click here desktop mode. You can see here request desktop site. So click that. Then it will go directly like that. So see you there in desktop mode. Then you can click your logo. Then click YouTube Studio. So it will go to directly on desktop mode. So now you have to click here this icon. That is our content. So you can see here easily there is any checking is running. I told you before that checking is not finished, so that we have to come here. You can see checklist. You see here restriction is checking, still checking. So it is finished. You can see green mark is here, dollar mark is on, but restriction mode is checking. So don't open your visibility to public until checking is finished. So let's finish the checking. Okay, when that finish that checking, you can put public. Okay, you can change it to public or from here, or you can go to your YouTube Studio. Then you can change public. So I will show you now ad setting. So if you have video more than 8 minutes, you can put midroll ads. I will show you what happened. What is the midroll ad? Midroll ad means when you start your video, there is starting ads. Then when you finish your video, there is also a starting ads. But between, if you have more than 8 minutes, you can put your ad between that video. Between means from start to end. Between, I will show you. So I select this my video. This video 8 minutes and 58 seconds. So you have to do like this. You just click here the name. Then you can see here dollar mark. That dollar mark you click it. Then it will go to the monetization section. It will take some time. Okay, now is from here very important for you if you don't know any ad setting. Okay, this is the monetization section. If you have more than 8-minute video, you can increase your earning. So I will show you how to increase. Midroll ad means you can see here during midroll video. Midroll. If you have more than or less than 8 minutes, that midroll ad is going to close like this. If you have more than 8-minute video, you have to click this midroll ad. Don't forget more than 8 minutes. Otherwise, it will not showing. Okay. So make sure there is all on. So then you have to click here manage midroll. You can see here I mentioned here manage midroll. So there is, you can see I didn't have any managing midroll. This only automatic midroll from YouTube. So you can change it. Change it means you can add many ads on between that video. So starting like this, you can see here mention here ad break. So you click once, then you can see one is coming. You can check another one. Okay. So now I have three times. Then start like this. First you have to do you change here first one time. Okay. This time you can put first one 3. 03. So now first ad is starting 03. Then you can change second one. Second one also you can add 6. It means 3 minutes. Okay. So I'll make it bigger. First one is 03. 03. Okay, like that. See, just put 3 only. No need 0, I think. Yeah. So second one you can put here, change that 6. Okay, it means 6 minutes. Then you can choose another one. You can change it. 7. Okay, then you can save it like this. Continue. Okay, save. Right. It will mean between that video there is many ads are coming. Many ads coming mean you can earn many money, more money if someone looking your video, full video. So I think you understand this ad setting. I will make it small. Again you can check if there is midroll not working. You can check to manage midroll. So you see now from start 3 minutes, then 5 minutes, 4 seconds, then 7 minutes. Already we have saved. Okay, then go back. Here on down you can find how is your ads are working. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. There is number of ads you can see there. So thank you so much for watching this video. Is there any problem? Just comment me. I will tell you another if there is something problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. I think now you understand everything about this ads. So take care. Go ahead.